हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। आज हम कवर करने वाले हैं एनसीईआरटी एक्सटेम्पलर क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन क्लास 10th। द क्वेश्चन इज लाइक सॉल्व द इक्वेशन -4 प्लस -1 2 प्लस 5 एंड अप टू x इज इक्वल टू 437। सॉल्व द इक्वेशन मीन्स you need to find value of x. Since this series given -4 plus -1 plus 2 plus 5 and up to x is equal to 437, where the first term a is equal to -4. Common difference is a2 minus a1 -1 minus -4, which is equal to c. Okay, अगर आपको ये सॉल्व करने में प्रॉब्लम है, you can solve from here. 5 minus 2 is again 3 because common difference is consecutive of any two terms. लेकिन एग्जाम में आप शो यही करना a2 माइनस a1 -1 minus -4. Sum is given, let's say sum of n terms is given 437. Okay, now the last term is x. Last term will be x. In exam you will represent like this. Presentation wise it looks good. Now the formula for last term is equal to first term plus n minus 1 multiply common difference, which represent x is equal to -4 plus n minus 1 multiply 3. यहाँ से हमें वैल्यू ऑफ n मिलेगा इन टर्म्स ऑफ x, विच गिव्स वैल्यू ऑफ n इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस x प्लस 4 divided by 3. That is x plus 7 divided by 3. Okay. Again, sum of n terms Sn is equal to n upon 2 the first term plus last term. No need to apply 2a plus n minus 1 multiply d, क्योंकि डायरेक्ट हमें x के फॉर्म में निकालना. We have first term also, that is -4, and we still have last term also in terms of x. Now sum of n terms is 437. Value of n is x plus 7 upon 3. So value of n by 2 should be equal to x plus 7 by 6. This is n by 2. Multiply a plus l. So can we say, first we write x, then we will write -4. Now 437 multiply 6. 437 multiply 6, which is equal to x square plus 7 minus 4 plus 3x, and plus 7 multiply -4 is -28. So final equation we will get is x square plus 3x minus 28 minus 437 multiplies 6 is equal to 0. So first we will solve -28 and -437 multiply 6. X square plus 3x 437 multiply 6. 6 multiply 7 42. 6 multiply 3 18 and 6 multiply 4 24. Answer will be 2 12 6 and 2. Again plus 28 plus 28, which is 2650. So we can say -2650 should be equal to 0. Now we can apply quadratic formula. Applying quadratic formula, which is equal to x minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Minus 3 plus minus 3 squared is 9, minus minus plus 4 times 2650 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 3 plus minus 4 multiplied 50 is 200. So can we say 209? Again 4 multiplied 26 is equal to 4 multiplied 6 24 and 4 multiplied 2 8 and 104. 104 plus 2 106 whole upon 2. Now square root of 10609 is 103. So minus 3 plus minus 103 by 2, which will be equal to 50 or minus 53. Minus 53 won't be possible because it is negative. So final answer is value of x is equal to 50. Answer. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel and like and share with your friends. Thank you.